When I redid my laundry room, this was one of my favorite purchases. It's the Pet Safe plastic pet door. We had our cat litter box just sitting out in our laundry room, and it drove me crazy. And so I was trying to find an alternative to hide it. And so when we redid the laundry room, we built a closet. And inside of that closet, I put the litter box down at the bottom. And so we added the pet door at the bottom. The installation was super easy. The hardest part is cutting your hole. And once you do that, then you just snap on the components and you just screw it in to secure it. It's perfect because it contains all the cat litter and stuff inside of the closet, and also it hides the ugly litter box and contains the smell should there be an odor. This is the inside of the door. You can see where it snaps together, and you just screw it in from the back side. So I wasn't sure how the cats were going to react to it, but they took to it right away once we showed them how to do it. So it's been an awesome addition to our laundry room.